Coinbase versus CoinSpot, which crypto exchange is better? Choosing the right crypto exchange can completely change how you trade and manage your digital assets without unnecessary fees or confusion. Both platforms offer unique features and benefits. Coinbase and CoinSpot are popular cryptocurrency exchanges designed for buying, selling, and managing digital currencies. The core difference lies in their target markets and fee structures. Coinbase serves a global audience with advanced tools, while CoinSpot focuses on simplicity and local Australian users. Coinbase is a global cryptocurrency exchange known for its user-friendly interface and extensive range of supported coins. It operates as a brokerage and wallet service, allowing users to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies securely. Coinbase works by connecting users to the crypto market with easy payment options including bank transfers and cards. Its strengths include a high level of security, regulatory compliance, and advanced trading features like Coinbase Pro for experienced users. However, Coinbase's fees can be higher compared to some competitors, especially for smaller trades. It also has a more complex fee structure that may confuse beginners. Ideal users are those who want a reliable, secure platform with access to a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and are comfortable navigating a slightly more intricate fee system. Coinbase's global reach makes it suitable for users beyond Australia looking for advanced tools and strong regulatory standards. CoinSpot is an Australian-based cryptocurrency exchange designed for simplicity and accessibility. It offers a straightforward platform for buying, selling, and managing over 300 cryptocurrencies with a strong focus on the Australian market. CoinSpot works by providing instant buy and sell options with clear, transparent fees, and supports local payment methods such as POLI and PayED. Its strengths include an easy-to-use interface, flat fee structure, and strong customer support tailored to Australian users. CoinSpot also offers features like a crypto wallet and staking options. Limitations include fewer advanced trading tools compared to global platforms and a smaller international presence. Ideal users are beginners or Australian residents looking for a hassle-free experience with clear pricing and local payment options. CoinSpot's focus on simplicity and local compliance makes it a preferred choice for those new to crypto, or those who prioritize straightforward transactions within Australia. Comparing Coinbase and CoinSpot highlights key differences in user experience and cost. Coinbase suits users who want a broad selection of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features, ideal for global traders or those seeking professional tools. Its higher fees can be justified by security and regulatory compliance. CoinSpot, on the other hand, offers a simpler experience with transparent flat fees and local payment methods, perfect for Australian beginners or casual traders focused on ease of use. If you prioritize advanced trading and global access, Coinbase is the better choice. For straightforward local transactions with clear fees, CoinSpot stands out. The trade-off is between Coinbase's complexity and cost versus CoinSpot's simplicity and local focus, making each suitable for different user needs and experience levels. Choose Coinbase if you want a secure, globally accessible platform with advanced trading tools and don't mind paying high fees for premium features. CoinSpot is recommended for Australian users seeking a simple, transparent, and user-friendly exchange with local payment options. It's perfect for beginners or those prioritizing ease of use over advanced features. Select the platform that best fits your trading style and needs.